Gogeta is back. And this time, with his new transformation,
as our story opens up with Master Roshi having...
he's now ready to face the biggest threats for the Ultra God mission. Tonight, we're going to draw Gogeta merged with Cumber's dark energy. Well, basically, this is the first time drawing Gogeta as this form. Well, technically, this is the second time we're drawing Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. Only this time, well, I prefer on calling it Super Saiyan Dark Blue. You get the idea. I sure wish they'd decided to call it that. What's wrong with calling it that? It's just like us discovering that its real name is Super Saiyan Royal Blue. And after that, we saw Super Saiyan Primal Blue in that fight against Murno. The first time we saw Goku and Vegeta fuse into this form of Gogeta was against the Crimson Masked Saiyan. Turned out to be Goku Black. And after the transformation was complete, Goku Black summoned up the final enemy from Dragon Ball GT, Omega Shenron. Only this time it was controlled under the Majin magic. Cover and Hearts fought against him. As for Gogeta, he successfully transformed into a new form. Since Vegeta has Super Saiyan Dark Blue transformation, he's mastered it well and fine. I sure am pleased to see Gogeta look like that. Gogeta. It's like Luna's Megamoth. There we go. Takes care of that. The way that they defeated Goku Black, I meant the Crimson Masked Saiyan, they smashed the final piece of the mask, and eventually he turns to dust, or gets sent back to the reality he was brought from. Well, basically, I'm starting to think that the Game Master resurrected Zamasu and, well, gave him a new form. I don't even know how it's possible. Technically, let's just call it Super Saiyan Blue Limit Breaker. At least That's what I believe it's called. Since Gogeta's been enhanced with Cumber's energy. We like to thank Cumber and Hearts for that, since they're competing in this new time war. Looks like we'll get to see this form again one day. This time, Hit and Jiren will be there. Oh wait, they're already there. Alright, Goku, Vegeta, let's see what they've got. And finished. Oh, hold on a second. Just gotta add the extra line here surrounding his body. Right. And complete. That is how you draw Super Saiyan Dark Blue Gogeta. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And get ready for more fighters like this one. They're always here, and they're never gonna stop. Anyhow, Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.